Good morning, students. Today we will do about the practical notebook and experiment. Here is given the experiment. We will perform the temporary mount of onion peel. This is onion. How you will remove the onion peel? Here you will see, and you can do at your home also, that in between these two leaves, there is present a transparent layer, that is called onion peel. This is the transparent layer. I am transferring it to the water because if it will be kept for a longer time outside the water, it will dry up and we will not be able to study the structure of cell. So by this, from this onion peel, we can study the structure of plant cell. Now you will see that how we will prepare a slide. For this we need some apparatus. Here is given some apparatus: microscope, this is watch glass, slide. These are cover slips which we will use to cover the specimen used for study. Safranin. Safranin used to stain the transparent onion peel. Otherwise, transparent structure, transparent specimen, we will not be able to study or differentiate. And here is given the glycerin. We are using the glycerin for temporary mount of onion peel. Why we are using glycerin? Can we use water instead of glycerin? Because both are transparent, having the same transparency. But we cannot use water. We will use glycerin because it protects the specimen from drying up. It will not get evaporated, and water you will see that it get evaporated and the specimen it will get dry. Now here you will see that this is the specimen and we will handle this specimen very delicately or softly, and a very small part of it is used for mounting on a slide. Right? And now we will add a drop of this safranin. We will clean this slide very neatly. Why? Because if some particles or if some dirt that remains on the slide, that will be more prominent under the microscope, because the function of microscope, it magnifies all the particles seen under this. And in this microscope also, here you will see it is eyepiece, and here is you can see that objective lens on the platform, and at the base is present mirror. This mirror is used to direct the light towards the specimen, used to change the direction of light so that light can concentrate or light can be towards the specimen. Now here on this slide we will mount the leaf peel. First of all, we will take a drop of this glycerin on this slide, and we will take a piece of this specimen and we will put it on the slide. Right? Now, this specimen which we are using, it should be spread properly. If it is folded or having many layers, it cannot be studied properly. So it should be spread properly. After this, we will take the cover slip, and this cover slip you will see that they are available in the market in different shape, and this is the scale. Clean this cover slip also neatly or very carefully, because this is a very delicate glass particle, glass slide, glass cover slip, and with slight pressure it can be broken. Now, for putting this cover slip on this slide, you will see that we will put it on the slide by touching its one end to the glycerin and slowly release it on the specimen, so that there should not be any air bubble, because air bubble that also make the hindrance of observing the specimen clearly. Now, after preparing or after mounting this leaf pin, onion pin on this slide, we will put the slide. First of all, we will make the mirror, adjust the mirror so that light enters in the microscope. Then we will put this micro slide on this platform and try to see this specimen with the help of through this eyepiece, and here is given the two screws. One screw is for fine adjustment and other for rough adjustment. So first of all we will use for rough adjustment so that it can be seen, and once it is seen under the microscope, then this fine adjustment is used, and after seeing it under it, then we will put this clip so that the slide will not move from its surface. Right? Now, after this, we will observe it, all the parts that are seen on the blackboard. You can see this part like this. Here you will see that this is a temporary mount of leaf pin under the low power. First of all, we will see it under the low power. Under the low power, you can see only brick-like ball in this, on this slide, and nucleus can be seen. But under the high power, you can see these different structures: nucleus, vacuole, cell wall, cytoplasm, etc. These can be seen under high power. While mounting this slide, then we will keep some precautions in our mind. While handling this experiment, we will take these precautions, that first of all, handle this specimen very delicately. Second thing, while mounting the specimen, there should not be any air bubble in the slide. Third, we should use glycerin. Always use glycerin so that it cannot dry up until we are studying the cell. And saffron used to stain the transparent part of the cell for its, you can say, precise structures. So here it is the experiment. Aim of this experiment, temporary mount of black pen or both pen you can use, but write your practical notebook very neatly. Write and draw the well-labeled diagram. On this plain paper, by using the pencil, you will write the experiment number, then aim of the experiment, then apparatus used, material used or apparatus used during the experiment, and then you will draw the well-labeled diagram of the given specimen. Clear? And on this line paper, you will write experiment number, then aim of the experiment, material required or apparatus used, then theory on which theory it is working, then procedure, how you will prepare the slide, observation or result, and then precautions. So in this way you will write your experiment about the cell. By this way we can study the plant cell. The animal cell is also given in your syllabus, that we are taking from our chick. Inside the chick, you will see that from the chick, inside the chick some material or some cells, they keep on molting from time to time. So by taking one toothpick or with ice cream stick, you can remove these cells. You will remove these cells softly, not like this that it will make the wound in your chip, right? And then dip it in the water, and then we will make the slide in the same way, and that animal cell can be seen. And this animal cell we had already done in the theory class also. So you will draw the well-labeled diagram of animal cell also. So this is the experiment number 11 given in your practical notebook, and you will do it